as you would have seen in some of the drainage videos, we are also installing fairway irrigation. So we need a new ring main initially to connect up with our green irrigation and our tea irrigation, but we have planned the routes for all these new pipes to allow us to tee off and irrigate the fairways. So far we've started on 1, 10 and 9, and here's a little insight of what the network looks like. So as you know, we've got our main pump houses over on the lake by the 15th, which is through there. This will be one of the main connectors coming out onto the golf course. So every hole moving forward will have a main run running down one side of it, allowing us to tee off and irrigate the whole fairway. So that runs all the way down to the bottom of the hole. Like I said earlier, we've also done 10 and 9, and as we move forward while the drainage contractors are on site, we will be trenching as they move forward. So at the bottom of the first, there's the trench that the drainage guys have dug for us, and then we have our very own Steve on the digger just finishing off the trench with that irrigation pipe, which will go across the ditch and up to the 18th green. To give you some idea, on top of the 30,000 metres of drainage pipe we're laying, there's also over 7,000 metres of irrigation pipe going in. It's future-proofing Crondon Park. As you would have seen from previous communications, we've installed a new water tank. I just wanted to give you an idea of what it looks like and how big it is. So this is round by the pump house, which is here, and that water tank is fed from our reservoir on the 15th. Water is pumped from the reservoir into the tank through those filters you can just about see on the side of the tank. They then go back into the house, through the pumps and out onto the golf course, so onto that new ring main that I showed you earlier on. I'll give you a quick view inside so you can see what the new pumps look like. Little view inside the pump house. So the two black units you can see in the middle of the room, they are the pumps, both of which are new. The bigger one is probably overkill for green and tea irrigation, but we've installed that one to help future-proof the system, which will allow us to install fairway irrigation as we move forwards. Water is then through the pumps, goes into this red pressure tank. So that red tank controls the pressure that flows out into the system. The two new switch units on the wall, they control the rate that the pumps work to help control the pressure in the system. As a rule, we try and keep the water pressure in the system at around about 8 bar when pressurizing. Now obviously as a sprinkler head pops up, that pressure will drop, and all of these units kick in to try and keep that pressure at 8 bar. I will keep you updated as we progress with the installation of the new ring main. Good luck everyone in the club championship this weekend.